Hello guys, so I'm going to tell you how I use the ordinary niacinamide 10% and zinc 1% for treating dark spots, and this routine works like magic on dark spots. If you're someone that have dark spots, we know that niacinamide is very good for uneven skin tone. If you want anything that will clear your dark spot, this is your go routine. This is the best skincare product I've ever seen, the ordinary niacinamide. So today in this video, I will show you how I use it, and it works. I'm going to come closer so you can look at my skin. See, I used to have very bad dark spots here, and it's like faded now. Don't mind my puffy eyes, just sometimes I sleep very late because of my work. So here we go. My face, I have already washed my face. Okay, so follow the routine. Now, this is how I use it for my morning routine, because this one is the last one is sunscreen. Always have your sunscreen. This is how I use it for my morning routine. For my night routine, I don't put sunscreen. I'll just put my the thing, this one, the niacinamide, this, and maybe if I have hyaluronic, this one has like the 5-in-1 serum that you get in the on the internet. Okay, and then my moisturizer. So this is how I use it for my morning routine, and it's working. Can you see the glow? Look at the glow that it gives. Thank you so much, my favorite people. I look forward to seeing my next video. Mwah. Bye.